Samsung is gearing up to release its much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series, with significant changes expected in its design and specifications, especially for its top-tier Ultra model. Recently, tipster Roland Quant shared leaked images of cases for the Galaxy S25 series on X, offering a first glimpse into what the design changes might look like, particularly for the Ultra variant. These case images suggest a notable shift in Samsung's design language, moving towards rounded corners. According to Quant's images, the Standard and Plus models in the lineup appear to retain design elements familiar to Samsung fans, including the placement of power and volume buttons on the right side of the device. This shift aligns with earlier leaks of dummy units, which had similarly pointed towards a softer, rounded shape. The Ultra's rounded aesthetic could also set it apart from Samsung's other flagship devices, particularly their foldable models, which still embrace sharper edges. Quant's case images also provide insight into the camera setup across the Galaxy S25 lineup. It appears all three models, including the Ultra, will feature a hole-punch cutout for the front-facing camera. On the back, Samsung is expected to stick with a vertically aligned camera module, but the Ultra's case reveals more space allocated for additional cameras. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer a range of color options designed to appeal to style-conscious users, including black, green, blue, and titanium. Further details on color options come from Ross Young, who specifies that the Ultra variant will feature unique shades like titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Although Samsung has not confirmed any online exclusive colors, these choices for the Ultra set a new standard for sophistication in the Galaxy S lineup. On the display front, Jukan Los Rev reports that the Galaxy S25 series will utilize Samsung's M13 panel across all models. The screen sizes are expected to vary with each model, featuring a 6.16-inch display for the standard version, a 6.66-inch display for the Plus, and a 6.86-inch display for the Ultra. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's choice to continue with the M13 panel is partly a cost-saving measure. However, the M13 technology will still bring improvements in brightness, viewing angles, and color accuracy, ensuring a sharper, more vibrant display than previous models. Although there were early rumors of Samsung switching to an M14 panel for even higher quality, Ross Young suggests that the M13's balance of quality and price is a more practical choice for the S25 series. For performance, Ice Universe reveals that Samsung has opted for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for the S25 Ultra. This decision marks a departure from earlier speculation that Samsung might integrate its own Exynos 2500 or MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 processors. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to make strides in camera technology, featuring an upgraded 200-megapixel primary sensor for enhanced low-light performance and finer detail. The device is also rumored to support advanced zoom, offering 10x optical zoom, along with a versatile camera setup that includes a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. To power these new features, the Ultra is expected to house a robust 5,000 mAh battery, with a possible upgrade to 65-watt wired charging, cutting down on recharge time significantly. Alongside this, leaks suggest AI advancements in One UI 6.0, based on Android 15. While the device may offer storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, with up to 16 GB RAM and UFS 4.0 for faster data handling. For connectivity, the Ultra is expected to support expanded 5G bands, Wi-Fi 7, and possibly satellite connectivity for emergency communication, including an improved in-display fingerprint sensor and potentially face unlock. While no official announcement has been made, but it's expected that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be introduced in early 2025, likely as part of Samsung's Unpacked event. The Ultra model is rumored to come with a premium price tag, around the $1,300 mark depending on the configuration. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more tech news.